Guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be playing some battle cards. As you can see, I've been grinding a little bit the past month. I just beat Chunks of in the future. I evolved, into a Can, and I got Pizza, Egg Wazer, otherwise known as Token I had, and Candy. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing some grinding and Cats of the Cosmos. The reason I have him in here is because I just had to beat a stage that was like normal and special boy. Yeah, that was a bit of a pain. But now I'm just trying to get a treasure. Crazy back on me. I just need to get Cans mostly. She still loses whole level. So bad, like. I'm still trying to get 1600 usually for what cat size. I don't have one of all the. What is it going to be? Like Bahamut, like the enemy. I don't even have a single wolf cat in my whole entire loadout besides Catalite. Very creative name. Please let me. Oh. I don't want to bore you with nothing but grinding for this one treasure. I will literally take every. Okay, now. Give me bronze and I'll be happy. Oh yeah, by the way, I've been trying to talent my can the best I can. I'm mainly going for the attack up because I think you can do like 60k per hit once you like max the attack up. It's really good. So my current strongest hitter is obviously Awakened Bahamut. I also got some new Ubers, such as Big Canyon and like a Big Vanita, I think it's the name. I don't know. I'm not that much of a Battlecats lore, but I think if I max talent can, I should just be able to like easy kill these aliens. Most I think that use super guys first stages. These are just straight good in general. I really need that wave talent though. Wow, the trade of essentially. I'm trying to get this one treasure just to get more Dexter State aliens. They're such a hell to deal with. And there we go. Thank you. I will literally take that. Now what stage am I stuck on? Oh, I just beat this one which had an event which I kinda two tapped. Wait, what are the conditions? 4,000 you get out. I wonder if Muhammad's gonna stay in here. You won't help that much. Why do I have you right here? Why don't you leave it to my team? I don't know. Oh, come on. I can't even jump like 10 in there. Just gonna put Catalyze it going. That should be all I need. I'm gonna cook. Alright, don't buy that. I'm gonna wait for them to say something else. I don't rush the base. Okay, I really need to fix all these talents over. I'm so bad. Yeah. I'm overcoming that sword. I hear how bad these conditions are. There's no point in even upgrading Wallet besides the faster money gain. Which, why not? How much damage these little crocs do. But I also can like kill them pretty quickly. I was gonna get some Carolite talents as well. Like mostly her HP up. That's what I think's best for her, honestly. More HP the better. Okay, I'm thinking you get one of those like orbs that let you get like massive damage or whatever. Like things. So I want to put massive damage on Relic for Can. So when I get to like actual Relic stages, I'm prepared for that. Something else I'll take is like massive damage. Whatever it's called. Too, but no, I'm so stuck on Cats of the Cosmos. I know it's just rather easy stages. I am not very good at Cats of the Cosmos. I'm not very good at Cats of the Cosmos. I think Cats of the Cosmos is better just hard. I want to beat Cat God really badly. Oh, I did not make a click on that. 6 3 for the conditions. Okay, I'll take it. Not bad. No, a new enemy. One thing I can really it's gonna be new is I literally don't remember the name. Of course. I already fought the rip of King Kong. Oh, that should give me enough for Boiler, shouldn't it? Yoing, yoing, yoing. Where'd that barrier question point? Unlike Arceus, these don't regain barrier every time against knockback. Just so useful because I hate having to fight like so many barriers. Catalyte selling. I could just get like 3 Can-Cans and hit the base particular, just get put out the 10k. What do we got? Yeah, nothing. Okay. That's just a little damage Can can do right there. Just cutely does. What? 90k? 2 Can hits us. Yeah, a lot of damage. 45k per hit. Okay, that's very good, as I can use a Wave of Bahama here. Long range, please. Manito, you could kill you. Manito, you're good here. Sub Shooter Saki should be very good here. Long range, genuinely. Have a cameraman. One of my personal favorites. Oh no, I mistimed it. Hi, please. Oh no, you have a lot of HP. I don't know who does more damage. I think I'm a 2-tap with Muhammad, but not even 1-tap boy. No, boy. Can't get my names right. Yo. Okay, he's the whole stage. Don't mind my phone just badly tweaking. I love that. No, I'm trying to cancel that. That much damage I should get on one knockback Flora. It's like one hit and not back blood. That's absurd. She has like so much HP to aliens. And there we go. I don't even need Saki. But I'll still put it out just for these, because why not? Normal aliens is too easy. I have like every treasure for these. By the way, I had to use. I waited for one of those. I was also going. I had to use 4 of the baby blues just to beat that stage. The Wicked Muhammad one. I just cheesed the boy. I just got Castaways to just like hammer freeze it. Or I just got Saki to shoot the base to death. So that went very well. Right now I'm just going to hope I can get away from Muhammad and sneak in there and get like 5 kills. He's not the best at sneaking, kind of rushes in and just like, yeah, kills people. And there we go. Alright, that's another section where I have to come back to the treasure room. My favorite thing to do. That's really kind of cool music. Am I cooked? What am I looking at? I kind of forgot those existed. Boss music was new, so I wasn't expecting. I forgot how cool he's got. Oh, nice. And you're just gonna make it worse by bringing out a Cyberpunk one. Of course. Just my least favorite enemy in the whole game because of how much HP they have. Damage they do. Luckily, I have 2 anti-aliens waiting to heal. So, well, I don't have them both in my loadout, but I have 2. That information is probably not really helpful. Come on, Cans. What? Who did the war? Was it the Antiers? Imagine Helios. Who did the war? I love my killing him and knocking back from the phone. Get in there! W! Oh shit, amazement. Probably gonna just be 2 more levels because my phone's bugging, won't charge. So I'm just gonna end off the video. But you can't go wrong with the Wicked Muhammad ever, bro. Why did I literally solo that whole stage, basically. That's taking me a whole 10 seconds. Please be good conditions. Boom. I win. Unless y'all spam, like, bench with like 3,000. Oh god, please no. Why don't they have your full shirt? Oh, just kidding. I guess it's just my team. They have a Stories and Legends page as well. I'm kind of stuck on the stage. Because it's mostly traders, if I'm not mistaken. Look at how they're doing a little bit more stages. I finally stopped tweaking. What is my row one? I don't think I'm going to need Jurassic here. Just row one. I think it's gonna stick out something really strong. So oh wait, this is a hard one. Okay, I'm gonna move Marcho to row two. Hopefully that doesn't end up getting killed. And row one. Different even type of dudes are so cringe. 18 Boiler just like past Macho. That's gonna be the hurdle. I need some meat shield. Now I kind of wish I'd done pizza. Please don't be a relentless. One black thing at a time. I got this. They go Doge. I don't remember. Well, I probably should have done Awaken Bahamut first row. I'm already regretting seeing Awaken Bahamut anti everything basically. My brain suffered. We are cooked, chat. This boy somehow can clutch it. I mean, that's 40k. And I got Kevin. I got this one. That was rather easy. Now, from what I just experienced, I want to bring pizza. Do we just go straight no meat hill? Like, yeah, I got no meat hills because kind of like technically a meat hill. I mean, oh, that's gonna hurt. Please don't hate me in the comments.